This is Animesh. I am a master's scholar from ICAR-CAFRI University, and I am just talking about the use of artificial intelligence for betterment of works in the field of agroforestry, like mapping of carbon sequestration potential and production, keeping an eye on diseases, pest spread, the threshold limits, such things. Like recently, the AI has designed the IC chip for 5G devices, which are actually engineers are not getting how it is working. They have no idea, they don't even have slightest idea how it is working. It is just not following any kind of logic and things, but it is working very perfectly. The AI has designed that chipset by multiple sessions of looping of prompts and checking whatever design error and trials. After that, it has given an output. So such things can be done for us also, like AI can easily code, which takes a lot of mindsets. Many of coders work, it will be done in very slight of time. It can design some programs that can integrate multiple drones to work together and map things. Like if we go for X-ray imaging, the AI has a better eye for X-ray images than human eye, which can also be used for checking of how much carbon store and whatever changes is being in the field. It can easily spot, like it has the perception of millions eye. The AI can easily just detect any even slightest change that a human can't even see or just imagine. The AI can also detect such changes that can be used very well in the field of mapping through AI. And AI will also help in rather than monitoring, it also help us when like we are coding for something and we are getting errors. So AI can easily find out all the errors in the code that we try to make, or it can easily help in maintaining of an particular application that can also be in this field. Thank you.